Hello everyone and welcome back to Fantastic Funnel Tutorial Series. So today I'm excited, because one of the greatest feature is now enrolled into the System.io, and for which I was waiting for a long time, and not only me, obviously there are so many people who were waiting for this particular feature. Now, do you know because of this new feature, what is going to happen? You are actually going to eliminate any booking application, whether it is Calendly, Keap, booking.com, or any other booking applications which you are using right now. You can go ahead and unsubscribe them and stop paying them whatever the monthly fees you are paying to use the premium feature inside it. Okay, so I just came to know about it that System.io has enabled the qualification questions option. Like you can ask multiple questions like you do in the Calendly or Keep previously. The feature was not available where we can able to add additional questions. So in this video, I'm just going to show you that how you can do this, and let's get into it. So here I just want to show you that what actually I was referring to. When you go to the Calendly, right now I'm on my Calendly account and I'm on my scheduler. So you see that after selecting a date, if I select any particular time and do next, instead of like just name, email address, and phone number, I can ask this type of question so that I can able to qualify my leads, whether we are like good fit for to work together, or if we can do the meeting or not. So these are a couple of questions which I was referring to add into the calendar feature inside the System.io, and which was actually not possible earlier, because when we were adding the calendar into the System.io, it was actually giving us just a form option to add the question just similar to the form which we were asking into the opt-in page. Okay, now here I am on my one of my uh, opt-in page right now inside the System.io, and I'm just going to add a calendar feature, okay, from the form. And here I'm just going to add one. So you see that I have step one and step two. So into the step one, I have my calendar uh, selected, and you see that my event and other information got populated automatically before I have only one form created. This is a free account, so I have only one form created, so it get populated automatically. Okay. Now, what will happen next here when I will go ahead and when I'm going to add up all this information in here and choose my color and other things. Okay. Then I can go to the forms option, the second option here to the left hand side setting panel. I'll go to the form, and now here you can see this. These are the options, and I was only able to like select the options, select the questions from these options only. Okay. And if you can see here, I have a couple of multiple questions in here, like what is the biggest challenge that you are facing, because I created this custom fields. Okay. But this is something that not relevant, because when I'm asking these questions here, okay, I need to get into each of the client's information under the contact to see the answers. Okay, but because of this particular new feature, what will happen, I can simply get into the calendar area, and I can see all the answers at one particular place. So let's say that how I'm going to do this. Okay, now I'm going to select the calendar again, go to the forms. All right, and then you can uh, add all the details, and here you can see that now I have the questions options, sorry, which I'm referring to. So this is what actually the top of the feature which I was looking for, because they definitely wanted the System.io to become an all-in-one platform, at least at the beginner level. Okay, and now it is fulfilled. We have all the features in this particular platform, and this particular just this new add-on to the calendar where we can ask multiple questions will definitely going to save a lot of bucks for you because you are directly going to eliminate the Calendly. The most important thing which you need into any kind of event booking or discovery call booking sessions. I'm just going to set this up right now in front of you and let's see that how it works. Okay. So what I'm just going to simply do, I'm going to click on add a new question. And as soon as I'll add a new question, you can see that one sample question got added here, this one. And now I just need to restructure it according to my requirements. So I'm just going to select the form again and we'll go down here and my sample question will be, I'm just going to copy it from my Calendly just to save time. So my first question is, what is your niche? Please explain it. And here into the what's on your mind, I can just delete it and I'm going to write an answer, something like just your niche like this. Sorry. Or if you want to leave it blank, you can do this and make this field mandatory. All right, now you can see this particular field type is too narrow, okay? Okay, here you see that if I'm increasing the font size of the, actually the header, it increases the font size into inside the field as well. So which looks a little good now because now my box is having a certain amount of width and it looks good on the screen as well. All right, now let's say that let's add multiple some more questions in here. And my next question will be um, this one. What is the biggest challenge that you are facing in your business right now? Okay, now here I just want to add one very important thing that what new couple of changes we need in this one that right now you can see that when I'm going to set up any kind of form in here. So any kind of, when I'm adding up multiple questions, I do have an option to go ahead and assign that what type of answer should be, whether it is a multiple choice or a single line option, or it is a multiple line option. So you can see that in most of the condition, I have chosen the multiple line answer so that people can write as much as they can. Okay. So this feature is, this option is not available, but yet like we have one liner, so no problem. People will going to write it and then they will submit it. So we're going to test it now, okay? So let's say that this is what I have the form, and when it comes to the button thank you page, you can edit it according to your requirement. What is your thank you page, your command, and whatever you want. Sorry, your button command. And I think like we are good. So let's go ahead and see the thank you page subheadline. So subheadline goes here, booking confirmed. So what should be subheadline? Where it goes the subheadline? All right. So it goes just right before this booking confirmed image. I think it is an image. No? So, all right. So you can add anything. All right. Please check. Sorry, there is a spelling mistake. Please check your email for more details. For more details. Okay, do you want to redirect user after booking confirmation? So definitely, like, let's say that here they will see the information and then you can redirect your audience to any of your like offer page. So it could be a one-time offer or upsell or anything like there. So you can do the, go to the custom URL or the next step if you have the next step. I rather do the custom URL, just go to the page URL and copy and paste it in here, okay? So I'm not going to do it right now. Time, format, event, and everything you can just customize in here and just look for the phone view, that how it looks like there. It looks pretty awesome. So let's get back there and let's save it. So now I'm just going to test this particular page. Exit, and let's see how it works. So now I'm just going to copy the link. All right, here it is. So I have a form with me, and let's see that what happens. So these are the events and everything. I don't have my image. The location is Zoom and time is this one. And let's say that day, I guess like I have not selected. Maybe my form setup is not completed, I guess. In date range, time slot required. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Okay, let me set up the date range. All right, so I just changed the date range to October to November. All right, and I'm going to save it now from the top. Save and preview. Just saved it. Okay, so now just close it. I'm just going to my live booking page. I'm going to refresh this page once. All right, here it is. So now I have a September. Okay, I'm unable to pick up the date. I don't know why. Let's see, go to the next month. Okay, sorry, it's October and November. I actually did it for October and November, so you see that it is highlighted. I think we can change these colors as well, which is like grayed out the background for the particular dates, which the dates are the date those are available. So I'll going to like look after it. If you need a full-fledged video of creating a calendar and setting it out, just do a comment below, and I'm just going to do a short webinar, or we'll go live, or like I'm going to create a video for you guys. Okay. So let's say that I'm selecting a date here, 24. Now I need to select the time here. Next step. All right. So here we are. I need to fill out this particular form. Okay. The name. I'm obviously going to get rid of this last name. I just need. So anyone like who is filling out your form, they just need to use the comma to separate the things, and they can able to upload it. Now here my forms are ready. I'm just going to submit it. Okay. All right. So my booking is confirmed here, and you see that the message, the subheadline which we added. Please check your email for more details. So it's here, and now let's go to our um, Facebook event booking. So here you can see that. Now I'm going to bookings, onto my calendar, and you see that two bookings are showing. Okay. So just schedule for 30 minutes, and you see the time date for what date it has been scheduled. So it's for like 24th or for the October, and there was already another booking. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this one. Invite here, booking details. I go to the booking details, and now here you see that the questions which I asked. Okay, so you see that uh, the name, email address, phone number, which was actually inside the form, those information is not appearing in here. Okay. Uh, the only thing which I see, the questions, which is good. Okay, great. Okay. And now here in this one, I'm going uh, the previous one, which is already like gone. So booking detail. And you see that there was no questions. So might be possible like at that time this particular feature was not available. So I was not able to ask this question. So I'm still not sure about it because I checked it very precisely and that particular option was not available. And even I asked the question into the uh, support team to the support team, and they said like that particular feature is not available right now, and they're working on it to get it on this particular um, uh, get it on inside the system.io very soon. So now I think like this is really great. When you go to the bookings and simply click on the booking particular contacts booking detail like in here, okay, you will see everything like this. So it is pretty much easy now. Okay. So this is what I meant to refer, and I think like this is a good add-on now. So yep, this is what like a wonderful um, add-on to the system.io now. And I think now I am ready, definitely stop paying them the monthly fees, whatever I was doing previously. So it's a great add-on. Thank you, System.io and admin team, to take all the queries, all the questions, all the features, update request very, very seriously. And I believe like this will definitely going to be a market dominator very soon. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not still on the System.io, please go ahead and grab my link from the description to sign up to the System.io, and to be very like precise that even in at the cost of one Calendly account per month, you can able to get System.io for. And at the end, I just want to add that even at the cost of one, even at the cost of Calendly, you can get the System.io, which is an all-in-one platform, and launch your business in one single day. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for this kind of videos, and do share to anyone who is looking for this kind of tutorials. See you soon with the new one, and have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.